Right here at this house right here, I'm gonna be teaching you how I flip these houses. Free of charge, no money, on March 13th at 2 p.m. If you know somebody wanna learn this business, I ain't charging you a thing. So come in and check me out, man. It is what it is. Radford Homes, baby. Salute all veterans. Yeah. All right, man. Jason, what is this? What we're doing right now? Tell them, Jason.
Expanding the joint on the gables to break the gables up.
Okay. You have an open concept. Everything here has been permitted and up to code. All new water lines. All right, today we got drywall. And we got combi installation. 241-9714. Call my wife, Ms. Radford, at 863-205-1307. Right here. As you can see, the exterior wall used to be right L&W always come through for me, baby. Down and put up what you call what's up? And that's that we got some action right today, there. Felix. That's how you make. All right, talk to him. Tell him what we're doing today, Felix, real quick. We live. Bearing wall. You have to order this beam right here. It came in 3 separate beams. It's a laminated veneer lumber. The strongest steel.
Inspection for the outside stucco done this morning.
And that's what they use to make an open concept. These 3. It's 3 pieces of wood. My main man, Steve, 3, and always hook me up. And they're nailed together. All right, this is the community bathroom in here. All right, that's where your sink is gonna be. That's your tub right there. All right, that's your toilet. Get out. This is Greg, one half of Radford Homes, L.L.C. Shower knob. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. Today it's all about combi installation. And we got L&W delivering the drywall. So we about to make the turn. We also doing the stucco on the outside. That's when the house is about to turn the corner. We heading to third base. We'll soon be going to home plate. Stay tuned. Come here March 13th for open house. Check it out. And they have a phone station right there. This is the second master bedroom here. 4 bedroom, 3 bath. Ask Greg about how you can earn $5,000 towards your closing costs if you was to purchase this house. March the 13th. Right, this is the wall that we cut out the block wall. Let us right there. This is where the toilet is gonna go. That's the vanity. Yeah, you ain't gotta go to the gym. That's your shower over there. This was a utility room and we made it into a master bedroom. And that is the laundry room over here. Here's the kids' room. And then here's the master suite bathroom. Yeah, teamwork made it. Yeah. How you doing, Miss Pratt? We making it happen over here. Radford. All right, this is Greg, one half of Radford Homes, baby. We flipping these houses in Bartow in our hood. That's why it's so special. Holla at me. 931-241-9714. Let's get it, baby. Oh, we turning the corner, baby. We're going to run into third base. Soon we'll be going home. Look at my man walking that ladder, baby. Get him, baby. He making it work. Yeah. You heard my man. He say he got the hustle. That's what I be doing every day. Y'all see me always hustling, baby.
You ain't hustling your turtle feeding it, bro, and I ain't turtle feeding it. I'm doing an R30 badge in the ceiling.
Okay.
So when the heat comes down from the roof deck, the R30 will slow down the transfer rate into the living area, so the house will stay cooler longer.
All right.
And then we're gonna do the outside walls with a reflective 5-fold.
Yeah, what is? Ain't that kind of like aluminum foil? Okay. Okay, yeah. Check it out, y'all. Watch this. All right, my man hooking me up. You getting straight footage today. All right, so this is called 5-4. Pop a line. Okay. Out of Arbondale, representing. All right, Alberto popped the line. He's gonna run another bead.
Pull the other side tight so it pops.
All right. One thing I already noticed, we can't cover up them plugs. Last time I did that. Alberto, we couldn't find the plug. 3-651-1034.
And then when the drywall is coming pressed, it creates a gasket around it like this.
Oh, check it out, y'all.
So the gasket is going to come around
Hey, you want to back your top back up a little bit so that stuff don't get on you? All right.
So that's how it goes on.
And that thing can insulate the wall? Man, that's pretty cool, y'all. Man, I'm just going to show up, get me. I'm cleaning it up, so we're going to get it right.
About a 1 3/4, sometimes 3/4 inch to an inch thick bat that we would stick on here and wedge the side and wrap with plastic.
Mm-hmm.
Over it, like in Florida, you don't need a vapor barrier.
Oh, okay.
If you got too much moisture in the air as it is, you start sticking the plastic on it, and it's going to start condensation of moisture inside the block.
All right.
And inside the wall. We've noticed that over the years on remodels, but what masonry bat often just sticks. Water inside. So this right here, light, is actually perforated, so it will allow it to breathe, so no moisture will build up inside.
All right. What's your name, man? All right, thanks, Gary. That's what I'm talking about. Exclusive coverage, baby. Yeah. 20 years experience. Yeah. I'm gonna have to request. I'm gonna tell Steve to send you to my jobs. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Stuff like that.
Y'all see we got the installation going in. We got the drywall going up. And this is my main man, Felix, who directed everything. I mean, so what's this, Felix? Everything. You just watching them today?
Watching today.
What's this? So, Felix, what you got? You got a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, right?
Yep. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, living room, dining room, kitchen, and a family room. And then we got a shed in the back, bonus room. It's going to be insulated and sheetrock with luxury plank flooring, vinyl plank flooring on it, so you'll be able to use it for an office, whatever you want to use it for. Cable running in every room. Not bad. And got Wi-Fi, so if you don't want to use Wi-Fi, you can plug your smart TV in directly. That way it's not on your Wi-Fi. So it'll be a little faster.
All right. My main man, Felix. 931-241-9714. Let's go. Brand new roof on top of it. New soffits. What's up, man? All right. You hooking it up? All right. All right. This is inside of the, what is this, Felix? This is a bonus room, right? Y'all installated it and everything. 12 by 10 bonus room, y'all. It's getting insulated. It has new electric in here.
Music in Pressburg, Sid Leroy. I'm Katie. I've got anyone in 5 minutes. 93.3 L.L.C.
This guy in the other room?